I'll get it. Quick! You gotta go ahead, do it quick. Here, move your finger. Oh man! Here, I'll get it. I'll get it. There we go. Oh, wrong way. Okay, we're going right way.
You teaching Papa how to do that, Nathan?
Oh yeah, we're not.
Hurry, I think he needs help.
Uh-oh.
Help!
Oh, man!
Help!
You crashed and burned. Here you go.
What a kid.
Oh, we got another game? What's that game?
Nathan, help Papa with it.
Oh, he's putting a new game in.
Oh, are you? Well, thank you.